Hey guys, today, let's learn how to earn money making Facebook Reels. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn your own money using and making Facebook Reels, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So basically, what we can do in order for us to earn money on Facebook Reels is, of course, we need to choose our content strategy. So whether that may be creating your own content by choosing a specific niche to a post upon and post about, or you could also repurpose content that has been already posted on Facebook Reels as your own content, just by doing a short commentary of what you guys prefer for what specific topic that you guys would like to discuss about. And what we could also do be, once we have established already our preferred content strategy, is we could actually join the Facebook Reels Way bonus program. What this is actually gonna entail or give us is an option for our viewers to pay us through stars, or well, that is basically the form of money that we could actually have from our users or from our viewers for us to earn money. So you can actually go and search for a Facebook Reels Play bonus program, and of course, we could go ahead and apply for that as well through here. And basically, we need to make sure of first, as well as of course, the eligibility requirements, and one of those is of course a minimum of 1,000 views over a 30-day period. So you do need to be eligible for this. So you gotta go ahead and grind to posting some reels until you get 1,000 views over a 30-day period, and you will be eligible to join the monetization program or the Facebook Reels Play bonus program. Now that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.